Hi, today I'm going to show you how to delete constraint in Freecad. So if you want to do it, first we need to create a new empty file, and after that we need to go to tasks, and here we need to create a new body. After that I create here a new sketch, and I select here XY plane from available attachments. Then I click OK button, and now I will draw a simple shape. For example, I go to rectangle settings and I create here a new rectangle. Then I draw it somewhere here. It doesn't matter which dimensions it has. And now you can see here the symbol of the constraints. Yeah, there are 4 constraints. If you want to select them, you can click somewhere here. For example, I click on constraint number 8. Then this one will be selected. Or if I want to select another one, I click on constraint number 7, or maybe constraint number 6, or constraint number 5. Yeah. So for example, I will delete this one constraint. So I click right mouse button here, and then I click delete button. After that, it will be deleted. So now you can easily modify this shape, for example, in this way, or maybe in this way. Everything depends on your preferences. Yeah. Of course, if you will not delete this constraint, this action will not be available. So let's undo the changes. You need to click multiple time Ctrl Z to do it. And now if you will not delete this constraint and you will change position of this dot, the position of this dot will be modified too. Yeah. So it is very important to remember about that. And of course you can delete another constraints if you want. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use this option, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.